For today's video, pag-usapan natin yung isang loan app na, well, legit naman. Nagpapahiram ng up to 25,000 pesos. 30 days to pay, buo siyang natatanggap. So, huwag nyo munang i-download yung loan app na to na ang pangalan ay si Pita Cash, guys. Kasi ang dami nyong dapat malaman sa loan app na to. Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. It's Ate Red here, your original utang queen. So for today's video, pag-usapan natin tong si Pita Cash. Pero huwag nyo munang i-download yan guys because as mentioned kanina, ang dami-dami nyong dapat i-consider bago kayo umutang sa loan app na to. By the way, if you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe to my channel because yung topics natin ay mga online loan platforms. Sinusubukan ko siya para mabigyan ko kayo ng walkthrough, mabigyan ko kayo ng expectations kasi hindi lahat ng rehistrado sa SEC ay okay. This video is not sponsored, it's based on my personal experience. This is already the second time na sinubukan ko tong si Pita Cash. Ni-review ko na siya 11 months ago, buo siyang natatanggap. Wala siyang bawas, pero yun nga lang, isang consideration, yung interest niya. Fast forward, ngayon, parang feeling ko parang tumaas pa yung interest niya. And guys, I am just so thankful na hindi ako na-approve. O yan, ibigyan ko na kayo ng sneak peek. Hindi ako na-approve. Pag na-click nyo na yung confirm, mapupunta na kayo sa pagpipirma ng loan agreement. Pag click nyo nang nag-agree kayo sa loan agreement na yan, o OTP kayo, hindi na pwedeng mag-back. So parang wala, yun na yun. So bago kayo mapunta doon, pakita ko sa inyo yung interest. Ang laki mga bes. For example, uutang ka ng 25,000 pesos at total amount due mo after 30 days is 41,500. Kunyari, discounted pa yun kasi yung totoo is 49,000. Kahit na discounted yan, 41,000. Ang laki. 30 days lang. Ang laki. Ewan ko kung bakit nakakalusot to kasi rehistrado po siya sa SEC. Submitting entity siya sa CIC. Which means kung hindi kayo makabayad sa loan app na to, nako, lagot guys ha. Say for example, 1,000 sa 30 days, 1,660. Grabe. Amount to be received, oo, buo nga siya, pero papatayin ka niya sa interest. Ngayon, kung 1,000 naman, 7 days to pay, yung total amount due is 1,235. Basta guys, malaki yung interest niya. Kung nagkamali ka at given that, na-click mo yung continue, mapupunta ka agad dun sa loan agreement. Hindi mo na siya mababak. Parang wala nang urungan. Yung makapipindot mo lang dito is continue mag-OTP, kaya evaluation na. And during the review process or the evaluation period, meron siyang reminder na please be informed that Pita Cash is a submitting entity, which means all the credit data of our customers will be submitted to the Credit Information Corporation. And in order to avoid negative data, we recommend that you settle your loan on time. Gagamitin nyo pa ba yung loan app na to sa taas ng interest niya? Plus, kung hindi kayo makabayad, naku, lagot kayo kasi maaapektuhan talaga yung credit history nyo nito. Ano na yung mga application nyo sa mas magagandang mga loan apps, guys? Pros of Pita Cash is legit. Okay. Rehistrado. At kung makabayad ka naman, syempre nakakaangat siya ng credit history and it's gonna be the opposite kung hindi ka makabayad. At buo siyang natatanggap. Pero grabe guys, papatayin ka talaga niya sa laki ng interest niya, which is almost doble ng loan proceeds mo. We will consider your application within 3 hours. So, hindi po siya instant. And then, maaaring may tumawag para mag-verify. So far, sa akin, walang tumawag. Kaagad lang siya ng reject. The application is approved. The money will be transferred to your account automatically. Walang GCash or e-wallet dito. Bank account lang. So, yun lang yung disbursement method niya. And parang may trauma na ako sa bank account is nang dahil sa experience ko with another loan app before. Limited pa yung mga bank accounts na andito ha. Wala si UD Bank, which is a digital bank. Wala si GoType. Para sa akin, parang blessing in disguise siya na na-reject ako. And by the way, kung ma-reject ka, magsasuggest siya na i-check mo daw yung offers ng partners niya. At drum roll! Yung mga partners ni Pita Cash ay si Cash Express, si Loan Online, Moneycat, Digido, Crezo, Binixo, Finami, at alam nyo na kung ano yung mga interest ng mga. Anyways guys, at least naman, ito yung loan app na to. Meron po siyang option to delete your account. And nagpa-delete ako guys. And I hope talaga na nagdi-delete siya ng account given the fact na legit siya, diba? Compliant siya. So, dapat pag nag-request ka na ma-delete yung account mo, dapat i-delete niya. Pero kung gusto nyo pa rin magpatuloy, given the fact na mataas yung interest niya, at kung hindi ka makabayad, ay masasubmit yung record nyo sa CIC or Credit Information Corporation, nasa inyo na yan. At the end of the day, it is always your decision. At the moment, yung loan app na to ay nada-download lang po sa Google Play Store. Pagkatapos mo yung i-download yung app, ayan, lalabas yung page na to, hihingi po siya ng phone number, and you can also click privacy policy, terms and conditions of service, and customer declaration to check those, to read the fine print. Kung wala kang referral code, it's okay, you can skip that part and just click continue to continue, and then mag-OTP ka. Ayan. So, kunyari, may pipiliin kang mga loan amount. Pero wag na kayong umasa na yun yung ma-approve sa'yo because it still depends on the system kung magkano yung ibibigay sa inyong credit limit. Anyway, so ayun, may 1,000 and then the maximum is 25. Just click take a loan to proceed with the application. Sabi niya 10 minutes lang daw for all future loans, but expect ka na kung first time mo, medyo matatagalan siya. Yun nga sabi niya kanina, up to 3 hours at maaaring may tumawag pa, di ba? In a nutshell, yung mga hihingin yung information is ID, personal information, reference information, and work information, and click let's go to continue. Personal data mo, which includes your name, date of birth, yung mga ganon. And the good news is that at least hindi po siya hingin ng Facebook. And then ID na. So yung mga IDs naman natanggap niya is UMID, TIN, Social Security System or SSSID, PRC, passport, driver's license, postal ID, PhilHealth, PhilSys, national ID, and voter's ID. Ilalagay mo yung number, and then pipicturean mo yung ID mo. Of course, hihingi siya ng permission na ma-access yung camera, and i-upload niyo yung ID sa system niya, and then click continue. You can also add additional IDs kung gusto mo, but it's totally up to you. And then next is work information na. So you can put self-employed, employed, or unemployed, and stuff like that. So, syempre, kung self-employed ka, it will ask for other information that's related to your job info. Kung unemployed naman, then hihingi po siya ng info kung saan nanggagaling yung income mo because sinabi mong unemployed ka. And then, there are options that you can fill out. And then, yung monthly income mo, magkano ba talaga yung ina-accept mo, and your loan purpose. This is now the part that I don't like, and that is, bank account lang po yung disbursement method niya. So, kung wala kang bank account, that's bad news for you. But at least, kung ayaw niya, edi wag. Ang dami namang mas magandang loan apps dyan. Check nyo nga yung list ko. Anyway, so ayun, i-click mo yung continue pagkatapos yung sa page na yan. Confirm mo, double check nyo kung tama ba yung bank account na nilagay nyo dyan. Kasi syempre, magbabayad na nga kayo ng interest na pagkataas-taas. It could be a problem pa yung ganitong loan app. At least naman, make sure na mapupunta talaga sa iyo yung pera. Take ka ng picture, mag-selfie ka. And then, yun, lalabas yung kanyang loan offer. At least, doon yung makikita kung gaano kabigat yung interest niya. Pero guys, wag nyong i-click yung continue kung ayaw nyong mag-loan dahil sa taas ng interest niya. Ito po si Pita Cash, guys, and I hope pag-isipan nyo talaga kung uutang kayo dito. And kung ayaw nyo kay Pita Cash, of course, there are so many options na pwede nyo, or other loan apps na pwede nyong lapitan, which are far better. If you wanna see those loan apps, of course, you can go to this playlist. Ayan, ang dami pong legit na mas maganda yung offer, mas mababa yung interest. I hope dun kayo mag-try muna bago kayo mapadpad dito kay Pita Cash. I hope meron kayo natutunan sa video na to, guys. Please be careful. Alagaan po natin yung ating credit history because malaki talaga yung impact ng credit history natin sa ating mga future financial decisions. See you on my next vlog. Bye!